Coming out of lunch, man. Gotta get ready to get on this drive, man. Encore next Sunday is going down. Better go sell these tickets. Got some more stuff to do. We out.
Yo, October 23rd is going down. Lavish Living presents the official Encore Bash for Ray Tyler celebrating his birthday as well as myself. Buka, so you must be in the building because it's going to be a sellout event. Very classy. We dressing nice. Everybody getting their fresh on. So make sure you're in the building. October 23rd, 1,000 bars. Desmond Farmer also going to be celebrating their birthday. So you got to be in the building. If you don't got your tickets, get them now because it's going down. October 23rd. Encore, baby.